All right, here we go. Another video. It is February 2nd, Tuesday. In the market we go. All right, we're going to take a look at NAKD, JAN, and EXPR. NAKD was one of my best calls I've had in a long time. Called this weeks ago. This was like 34 cents right down here. I said, you see the big move down, this basing here at a quarter. Sort of flattened it. It was less than a quarter. It was like 6 cents. Then I saw a little move up here. Here you go. 25. I think I did the video back early January. And then this moves to, 25, 50 cents. So, in my video, I'm like, this is going to 75, $1. You're going to get 50-cent $1 roll. I'm looking back here, and it's done this before. See this? Spike, higher spike, bigger spike. So this really gets going. It's like, snowball effect, going down an avalanche. And, really builds momentum. So you see this? Look at this vine. So this came out. This was part of the group of the Reddit group. I'm pretty sure they were involved. So this moved up, big candle, and this put in that massive topping tail, 340. Came all the way back, bounced again, caught in between a sandwich here, 225 level, like 175. And then it starts to go back, like all these stocks now. They're pulling back. See the volume's lowering now, pulling back. Really hit hard today. This went back, and look where it stopped. Touched this 75-cent level, your 20 EMA, and you have a little gap here. So it's a good bounce off there. So that's a good sign. Now, tomorrow, what's this going to go? Where is this going to go from here? You want this 75 to hold. If it don't, you're down to 50 cents and maybe a quarter here. Then it's all the way back down. Then this moves like over. And then, it just could go flat. You don't know. It could go flat for a while, or it could bounce from down there. But if this does bounce, I could see this 125, 150-ish up here. The reason why I see this high, each high is getting lower. So you mark your line from this way, and you get a break 150. So, I would look for that level. Now, let's take a look at, the weekly in this. See this in the weekly before, it did this round move up. See, it shot up so fast and it couldn't hold. And the reason why these moves don't hold, you know why? See this wick one right through? Because you have the reverse. The 20 is over the 13 EMA. This move, it's like a downward trend. So how can you just cross up this fast on a move like this? Because the weekly is not even building. The weekly is not even building where your 13 is crossing over. See right here, it crossed, it finally did. You can't go through that fast because of the cross. It hasn't crossed. You're completely reversed. So anyone who knows this is negative right here. This knows this can't go through. You need this to happen. So if this happened back here and we went up, that would be different. But it's a flash move. Very flash, and that's why with the wicks. Now you can see this in the weekly. We cross down a little bit. Is it going to go completely down? It's hard to say. You might find a base here and come up on stochastics. The 4 hour. This is like all the rest. Up here, your low is trying to find a hold, and the high is getting lower. So it's trying to find a space here. Touch 75. It's very oversold. Look at this hour. Go right here. And there you have it. So front side, your back side, you can see like it's step. It's like step down, step down, step down. Eventually that's going to break up. And a 30 minute. 30 minutes right here. Look at that. It's just in line. I'm looking at 50 to 75. I think this can hold 50 and it would bounce. 75, we'll see what this does tomorrow. 15-minute. See the moves here. All right, so this has potential like the rest of them. I look for a bounce up in here. I look for a lower, though, the way it's been going. So it's got to prove it can break these. So what's the high on here? Excuse me, 190-ish, maybe to 175. So that's NAKD. All right, let's go to Jen. I had this mapped out too. This hit many times this 8 line. Look at this. I'm going back to 2016. 1. One. I'm just calling that each individual, but 1. Right here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 clusters. And then within that, probably over 10. So this was another one, rocketed up. Look at this breakthrough. This one as high as 3183. Then we drop. And now look where it's holding. Remember I said this becomes support now. It was resistance, a major resistance. So this is major support. If this comes back through 8, yeah, it's hard to believe. That it was such a hard way to get through there, and we did it, so it should hold here. Now it's getting down here on stochastics, already oversold. Look at the weekly. Let's see the monthly. There's the weekly. So weekly's done a little cross like this and might be trying to come up here and forming a divergence right here. 4 hour. See the big wick up, back and forth. There's the 2 hour flat. There's the 1 hour. You see this 1 hour note. This is another triangle. They're all forming like descending triangles. So there's your support. We'll see if this works. It's very oversold. Maybe some new news in this, or this gets pumped back up. We'll see what happens here. So that's Yen. You can see where we're at here. And if it does move here, right here, there's nothing much here. I could see this getting to 12, 14-ish. We'll see. We'll see if that level can break. All right, EXPR. EXPR is another one. Going back to 2019, you had the 6 level. And then coming back all the way down 3. You can see it formed like the bottom November. Bounced up. 175-ish. Big, great breaking candle right here. That was at January 22nd. And then you gap, pull back. And look at this. This thing rockets. And then a big, big bearish candle here. Then we try again. Nope. Try again. Nope. And nope. So the highs keep getting lower. It's like walking down the steps. Now this is trying to hold 3, that 20 EMA. Is it going to hold? Yeah, if this holds at 3, break over that gap, we can get to 5. And then has to get above, this 578 level. You really want this to hold 3, if not 250, then you're going down. You're just going back down to 1. See the monthly here. You can draw a line right here too. See that? That's a wedge. It broke out of the wedge with a big tail. Now we're going sideways. What are we going to do? Are we going to break back up here? Cross down. Get a lot of cross signals. 4 hours, very oversold. There's the 2 hour. There's the 1 hour, 30-minute. So again, this is another one. It's forming this triangle, trying to connect these. So right here. And look what you got here, triangle right here. So the high, getting lower, getting lower. There's your 250 line. And right now, it's holding that 3 line. 15-minute, 10-minute. All right. So this is another one. Big move up. There's your spike. Now we're walking down. Each high, each high. You're going to bounce. I don't think this is just dropping all the way through. I think we'll get a bounce. All right, so that's EXPR. That's it on this. Please subscribe to Mike Cayman Trades. Smash the like button. Trade ideas link. Twitter, Mike Frank 007. TikTok, Mike Frank III. Instagram, Mike Frank 98. And stock twits, Mike Cayman Trades. Peace.